There is outrage, there is anger over the brutal gang rape of a 23-year-old girl in Delhi. But the fear of many people is this outrage going to be momentary? Because there are other such cases which seem to have been forgotten. The husband of Naina Pujari, the victim of the infamous Pune gang rape and murder case, has also now demanded justice. He's asking, why has the case of my late wife been completely forgotten? In fact, Abhijit has now appealed to the State Home Minister to intervene to ensure that justice is done. My colleague Pankaj Khelkar has been speaking to Abhijit for quite a few days now, ever since this outrage across the country started. In fact, I believe, Pankaj, that Abhijit has been trying to get in touch with R.R. Patil for quite some time, but Mr. Patil just doesn't seem to have the time for him.
Yeah, Padmaja, Abhijit has been trying to get in touch with R.R. Patil, but for the last 6 months, he hasn't been given the due appointment, and now he is angry that why is the Home Ministry, the State Home Ministry, as well as Central Home Ministry, Sushil Kumar Shinde, is also mum on his case, because his complaint is that the main accused in his late wife Naina Pujari's rape and murder case, Yogesh Raut, he has been absconding from the clutches of police a year ago, almost a year ago, and that's why he's saying the Home Ministry's intervention is necessary, and so only the Pune police will once again start investigating or start the search of the main accused Yogesh Raut.
All right, just stay on with us, Pankaj Khelkar, because let's just bring our viewers up to speed with exactly what happened to Naina. This 23-year-old BPO worker in Pune was abducted in 2009 by the staff of the very company that she worked in. She was brutally assaulted and gang raped by her abductors in Pune for 24 hours. They even looted her jewelry and withdrew 62,000 rupees from her debit card before murdering her. The brutes even disfigured her face to avoid her being recognized. But the shocking part doesn't end there. After an outrage across the country, the police arrested 4 people in the case, but Yogesh Raut, the chief accused, managed to escape police custody while undergoing a medical checkup at the Sassoon Hospital in 2011. And here's the clincher. It's been a year since Raut escaped, but the police has still been unable to track him.
वहां से जो फरार हो गया, मतलब वहां से भाग गया, जो कि इसका केस का नजरिया देखते हुए, केस का सीरियसनेस देखते हुए, जो क्राइम था, एक्चुअली क्राइम इतना भयानक था कि उस केस में जो इन्वॉल्व क्रिमिनल्स थे, उनको अगर सिक्योरिटी ऐसे प्रोटेक्ट करती है, पुलिस ऐसे प्रोटेक्ट करती है कि वो हॉस्पिटल से भाग जाता है। इसमें ऐसा पता चलता है कि दे आर नॉट serious about our case.
This matter was taken very seriously by the department. The policeman, Sumer Singh Patil, who was responsible for this act, we immediately suspended him. Then we conducted a departmental inquiry against him. And as he was found guilty of certain charges in the departmental inquiry, we dismissed him from the department. Now he is no more with our department.
With the main accused at large, the trial that was about to begin has been delayed indefinitely till the absconded accused Yogesh Raut is once again caught. Here the legal redress is available for Naina Pujari's family, but is not forthcoming in time. So it's the same. Justice delayed is justice denied. With cameraman Gopal Harnej is Pankaj Khelkar in Pune for Headlines Today.
In fact, Naina Pujari was badly let down, not just by the police, but then ultimately also by the prison officials. The main accused in her case was behind bars. He had been apprehended. The police seem to have got a pretty airtight case in the rape and murder of Naina Pujari, but then the main accused was allowed to escape. Some say with the active help of some of the prison officials. Another man who had turned witness, he had turned approver. He too now, his testimony is useless considering that the main accused is at large. All right, joining me now from Pune is Abhijit Pujari, someone who's fought a long and hard battle to try and get justice for his late wife. Abhijit, you even gave up your job just so that you could pursue this one case single-mindedly. Now that there is such nationwide outrage over the rape and murder, over the rape of this 23-year-old girl, are you hoping that Mr. R.R. Patil will finally find time to listen to you as well?
Hello? Hello?
Abhijit,
Yes, I can't listen properly. Please.
Abhijit, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Abhijit, I want to ask you about
Yes,
the
yes.
kind of response and reaction you've got from Maharashtra's Home Minister, especially after the main accused in your wife's rape and murder was allowed to escape from jail.
Actually, last year, actually September in 2011, the man accused Yogesh Raut, except from Sasun Rugnalaya, Pune. Actually, there is not serious involvement of the government, Maharashtra government in this case. Actually, मुझे यही लगता है कि इस जो भी accused भागा है,
You seem to have a problem with the video link with Abhijit there. We'll try and get back to him in just a moment. But the question that needs to be answered is, what is the message that is sent out to other such victims of rape when the main accused is allowed to escape? Can they really put their faith in the law? Can they really hope that justice will be done? Or once, when the outrage has died down, cases like that of Naina Pujari will be forgotten? अभिजीत, आप बता रहे थे कि आर.आर. पाटिल को आपने बार बार कांटेक्ट करने की कोशिश की, उनकी तरफ से कोई भी रिस्पांस नहीं आया। अब जबकि पूरे देश में इतना गुस्सा है इस 23 साल की लड़की के बारे में, क्या आपको उम्मीद है कि फिर से नैना का जो कॉज है वो फिर से उजागर होगा? फाइनली आर.आर. पाटिल आपसे मुलाकात करेंगे और कुछ एक्शन होगा?
एक्चुअली आई होप उनको करना चाहिए, क्योंकि लास्ट 6 मंथ से मैं मंत्रालय में जाके एक्चुअली उनकी अपॉइंटमेंट लेने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ। समहाउ रीजन जो है एक्चुअली उनसे मुलाकात नहीं हो पा रही है। लेकिन दिल्ली का केस जैसे सामने आया है, सबको नैना पुजारी के केस याद में आई है। और एक्चुअली दिस इज द टाइम कि मैं नैना को जस्टिस दिलाने में एक्चुअली ट्राई कर रहा हूँ कि जिससे होम मिनिस्ट्री इसमें सीरियस हो, जो कि भागा हुआ अक्यूज हो उसको अरेस्ट करने के लिए जल्द से जल्द वो ट्राई करे। My aim actually is I am trying to getting justice for Naina. So I'm always trying to meet R.R. Patil और सुशील कुमार शिंदे। I hope so कि इन फ्यूचर में अगर उन लोगों ने इसमें इन्वॉल्वमेंट दिखाई और उस एक्यूज को अरेस्ट करके जल्द से जल्द नैना के केस को एक्चुअली जस्टिस दिया। आई होप सो ऐसा होना चाहिए और उनको ये करना चाहिए। महाराष्ट्र ऑफ गवर्नमेंट को इसमें सीरियसनेस दिखा कि उसको जस्टिस देनी चाहिए। दिस इज एक्चुअली माय डिमांड।
पर अभिजीत, मैं आपसे यही पूछना चाहती हूँ कि जब ये अरेस्ट हुए थे नैना के केस में, वो तब था जब पूरा देश इस केस के बारे में बात कर रहा था, जब मीडिया का बहुत सारा अटेंशन मिल रहा था। पर जैसे ही वो अटेंशन हटा, वैसे ही जो मेन अक्यूज था, आपने खुद कहा है कि मेन अक्यूज को पुलिस की मदद से भगाया गया है। आर.आर. पाटिल को भी अब आपके लिए बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं है। क्या आपको डर है कि हर एक केस में पूरे देश में जैसे ही लोगों का अटेंशन हटा है, आपके साथ जैसा हुआ वैसे उन लोगों के साथ भी हो सकता है?
Obviously, due to careless of some peoples, I'm not saying cops, due to careless of some peoples or some peoples involved in this matter to escape for the escaping of the man accused Yogesh Raut. Actually, वो जैसे भागा है, इससे पता चलता है कि उसमें इन्वॉल्वमेंट कई लोगों की है उसको भगाने में। ऑब्वियसली अगर ऐसे केसेस में दिस इज द ब्रूटल क्राइम, और ऐसे केसेस के जो क्रिमिनल्स है उनको इस तरह से अगर वो भाग जाते और उसको भगाया जाता है, दिस इज द वेरी रेडिकुलस और दिस इज वेरी वेरी बैड थिंग फॉर अस। क्योंकि कॉमन लोग जो है उस टाइम ऐसा हुआ था कि उन एक्यूज को अरेस्ट किया गया था। दिस इज एक्चुअली अप्रिशिएबल थिंग फॉर द पुलिस, बट ड्यू टू सम केयरलेसनेस ऑफ पुलिस उसमें से एक एक्यूज भाग जाता है। दिस इज द कंट्रोवर्सी, दिस इज द कंट्रोवर्सी इन आवर सिस्टम। एक कंट्रोवर्सी क्यों है?
एब्सोल्युटली। बट मैं बहुत जल्दी से आपसे आखिरी सवाल पूछना चाहती हूँ अभिजीत, नैना के साथ जिन लोगों ने ये किया और जो इस 23 साल के लड़की के साथ जिन लोगों ने किया, उनके लिए क्या सजा होनी चाहिए? आप मेरे को बताइए, आपको क्या जस्टिस चाहिए?
एब्सोल्युटली डेथ पेनल्टी इज द फाइनल सजा है उनके लिए। क्योंकि उन लोगों को जीने का कोई भी हक नहीं है, कोई भी हक नहीं है। क्योंकि इस घटना से ना कि वो लड़की, ना कि मेरी नैना सफर हुई है, बल्कि हमारी जो सफर हो रही है।
जी जी, Abhijit, we're certainly hoping that the Home Minister of Maharashtra is listening to you, and so is the Union Home Minister. This is the travesty of justice, the brutal rape and murder of a young 21-year-old BPO worker in Pune, and the main accused is allowed to escape, and the Home Minister simply doesn't have time for the husband of that young girl. Abhijit, thank you very much for speaking to us. We'll follow up on this story from our Mumbai bureau.